Hello everyone, I'm Lenny from ANTSLIT. Today I'd like to show you a typical application case of our WYX series LED bubble in poster lamp. This poster light is not only beautiful but also incredibly durable, making it widely used in parks, squares, yards, and pathways. Traditionally, these fixtures use mercury bulbs, ml 250 watt or ml 500 watt. These mercury bulbs have been used for decades. They have several drawbacks. Short lifespan, only around 10,000 hours. Mercury content, harmful to the environment. Low efficiency, just 20 lumen per watt. Poor color rendering, and significantly energy waste. Additionally, the EU has announced a ban on importing and using mercury-containing products from December 31, 2025. So what's the solution? Our WYX series LED HID bubbles are the perfect replacement. With the same E27 or E14 socket installation, 360-degree lighting, achieve the same brightness, only 15% of the original power, 5 times longer lifespan, and reduce 18% electricity bills. Most importantly, our LED HID bubbles do not contain mercury and any other substance harmful to the environment. It is an environment-friendly lighting solution. Let's see how we do it. First, from our replacement chart, we can see that our 35 watt LED HID bubble can perfectly replace the ml 250 watt mercury bulb. An 18 watt LED HID bubble can perfectly replace the ml 500 watt mercury bulb. We can see the size is similar as well. Second, our LED HID bubbles are integrated AC 90 to 277 voltage input driver and a 6 kV sugar potential. So if your fixtures has a blast inside, just simply remove it before installation. Third, just install our LED HID bubble in it with E27 or E14 socket. It's super easy. Since the poster lines are typically enclosed, our WYX series LED HID bubbles come with an activity cooling fan to handle heat dissipation efficiently. Let's see the final effect of LED bulb poster lamp. It was great. If you have any HID retrofit projects, contact me. I will give you the best solutions. See you next time. Bye bye.